Beachfront property at XL Villas, Oshoroko, Ibeju-Lekki, Lagos, State, Nigeria. Discover your dream beachfront property at XL Villas, Oshoroko. Imagine waking up to the serene sounds of waves crashing against the shore, right from your own beachfront property. At XL Villas in Oshoroko, Ibeju-Lekki, Lagos, we make this dream a reality. Why choose XL Villas? Prime beachfront location. Situated in the picturesque Oshoroko Community, our estate offers stunning views and easy access to Lagos's beautiful beaches. Certificate of occupancy. Secure your investment with full legal ownership. Affordable pricing. Own a piece of paradise at just 12 million naira for 600 square meters or 7 million naira for 300 square meters, with payments spread over 3 months. Excellent estate features. Enjoy a secure environment with excellent road networks, a gated community, prompt allocation, and flexible layout options. Perfect for building your dream home. Proximity to key landmarks. Close to the deep sea port, Dangote Refinery, La Campagne Tropicana, and the Free Trade Zone. Book your site inspection today. Inspections are available Monday to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. For inquiries and bookings, contact us at YOD35649.